Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my blog. And this is Hemped Up. Well, just got to my next order here, and I decided, well, I've been using the Boost when I'm really tired and I need a jump start. It does really well. The last time I used it was when I was doing security, and when I had to I worked for a 10-hour day, and then I got to do security at night. So that worked really well. I just ordered this for July, for my July PV, personal volume, and I decided to buy some more. Thank you, Andrew. You packed it. And this is through My Daily Choice. And you can find the link. You can find the link to it in my description. So if you're interested in natural oral sprays that a lot like taking your vitamins. So there you go. This is the Peak. And it is, of course, a dietary supplement. Deer antler velvet plus antioxidants. Improves general health, boosts your immune system, supports anti-aging, supports healthy. Supports healthy libido. So maybe let's check on that. And helps enhance performance. So we're gonna try that. And then I decided to try the brain, because if you take in oh, come on. Three. What I was looking for was omega-3. That's supposed to help support brain function and help with your memory. So, and then of course you take the little gels and then go from there. I can't see what's in it. Let me use my nice little head light here. Whoa, too bright. All right, there we go. Servings 6 sprays, and you should get 33 shots out of it. This has got vitamin B3, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, I can't pronounce half of these words. Sensorial ashwagandha extract, beta-alanine, acetylcholine, resveratrol, rhododendron rosa extract root, Panax ginseng root, and extract the thing. That's what I get. That's what I get out of it. So other ingredients: purified water, glycol, glycine, that's enough of that. Anyway, directions: shake well before use, spray into the mouth, and swallow. See, brain spray uses clinically proven ingredients and other natural ingredients used to support cognitive function, improve memory, and maintain focus. Your brain is the most powerful organ in your body, and brain spray will give you advanced brain nutrition in just 6 sprays per day. So there you go. Very nice. That's the brain spray, and I think it'll take the place of the omega 3 for me. And this is Peak, again, adaption formula. Improves general health, boosts immune system, supports anti-aging, supports healthy libido, again, and helps enhance performance. 6 sprays in the mouth and swallow. Peak spray formula combines the highest grade of deer antler velvet and antioxidants for some of the most nutrition-rich superfruits on the planet. So there you go. Let's see. Should get 33 doses from it. Primary blend, deer antler velvet extract, McCule berry powder, goji berry powder, and berry powder, raspberry ketones, ravindol, mangosteen powder, nomi powder, and mate leaf. God. Oh, give me that. Other ingredients, purified water, okay, and all that stuff. Anyway, there we go. So, there's the Peak and the brain to go along with my boost. So we'll be able to deal with that. And I turn that off. The other thing I purchased for you that love your animals, I bought. I don't know if Mo will see this. She's somebody I served in the service with. But the Hemp Works dog CBD treats, and that's 2.5 milligrams of CBD per treat, and they're beef flavored. So it's vegetarian approved, 100% natural, highest grade ingredients, and it's 33 cookies per treat. Read the back of that. Hemp Works again. Hemp cannabinoids, 2.5 milligrams per spectrum hemp cannabinoids per treat, formulated with full spectrum hemp oil grown without GMOs, pesticides, herbicides, or chemical fertilizers. Made and packed in the USA. So suggested use 1 to 2 treats per day. Vegetarian formulated hemp work treats with natural occurring cannabinoids, provides essential nutrition that your dog crave, and we make our treats the old-fashioned way, using all local sources and ingredients. Carefully made treats for your furry friend that contains no wheat, no corn, no soy, no added sugars, no salt, no artificial preservatives, no glycinins, no waxes, no hydrogenous oils. Then we oven bake them to perfection. So there you go. Guaranteed analysis. Crude protein 9%, crude fat 7%, crude fiber max 3%, moisture max 8%. Let's see. Ingredients: garbanzo flour, potato flakes, cheddar cheese, full spectrum hemp oil, natural beef flavor, coconut oil, mixed token oils, vitamin E as a natural preservative, intended for immediate or supplemental feeding only. So there you go. That is the HempWorks CBD dog treats. So do some research on CBD oil and your furry friend. So there we go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Catch you on the next Hemped Up. I just thought I'm gonna do my own products. I like the form. I like what they said about the libido. We're getting older. At hitting 60, we slow down a little bit. Let's try this. Let's shake it up. 6 squirts. You know what? The pixie sticks. You take tastes a little like that. Sweet. Fix that a little bit better on the tip here. Cover all the back on it. Better. Okay. So that was the performance. The peak. Next one is brain. There we go. That worked good. That was the way it should have come out. A little perforated. Hit that perforated. Okay, this is brain. Get older, we forget things. And I've been, like I said, I've been using the omega-3 for a while now. Let's try this. 6 squirts. Advanced Brain Nutrition. So let's see. I don't know. That's a test. That's a taste. I've never taste these things. And I'll tell them. That's a sad thing here. When I went to put my Hemped Up videos up there, they blocked all my boosting, so I can't boost this through YouTube or Facebook, should I say? So I may have to, and that means I can't even boost any of my videos, regardless even if they're not these. I can't, all my YouTube stuff. So anyway, there you go. That was the brain I just sprayed and the peak. So we'll keep you guys updated on that. So again, the links to these are in my description. So again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and definitely share. And we'll catch you on the next Hemped Up. Peak and brain. Peak and brain. And of course, the disclaimer: none of these products has been tested or approved by the FDA. Most stuff isn't.